Damn, I love this air show livery with all that cool flames. Anyway, take off time. Maybe I could go faster with this air show livery. Take off. Hey, stop them dang bouncing. Thank you. Take off. Yeah. Since I am an air show player in my air show livery, let's do a barrel roll. Oh, that was nice. Hey, no crashing into the airport. Increases the altitude. Yeah, I love this dang livery so dang much. It's probably my best livery yet. Anyway, let's enjoy a flight. What could possibly go wrong? With no descending. Ah, yes. Flying over San Francisco. Nice. Let's increase some altitude quick. Whoa! What the boa, that's way too steep. Pull out of it now. Hey! Ooh! I cannot pull out of it, you stupid geoFS alarm. Oh good, I stopped baking. Bro, pilot, what the hell? What the hell was that? Sorry. Sorry about that. Whoa! Dang, after so long of flying, I finally reached the Golden Gate Bridge. Now you better not stall. Oh, nitrogen monoxide, my engine malfunctioned. I'm going to start stalling. Yep, I'm starting to stall. I can't pull out of it, you dumb geoFS. Bro, this ain't supposed to happen. Hooray, my engine is increasing power. That was a close call. Let's head under the bridge. Nice, we went under the bridge. Hooray, I can see St. Martin. Not long now until I can land. Terrain. Pull up. Bruh, I am not in. My pull up alarm. Oh, nitrogen monoxide. I cannot pull up. Bro, my engines. Bro, I'm not even lined up with the runway. Quickly turn towards the runway. Get out of the bank. Oh, nitrogen monoxide. Owie! Stop bouncing. Yeah. Bruh.